Assalamu alaikum boys. Today I am going to start chapter sound, and the subtopic of the sound is characteristics of sound. SLOs of these topics are define intensity and state its unit, describe intensity level of sound and mention its unit, solve word problem related to the intensity level of sound. Define intensity and state its unit. Intensity. Sound energy passing per second through a unit area held perpendicular to the direction of propagation of sound wave is called intensity of sound. Intensity means power of sound, strength of sound. For example, when I'm going to deliver the lecture in a small classroom and same lecture with same loudness I am delivering in a large classroom or auditorium, then the intensity of sound in a small classroom is greater than the auditorium. Alright, intensity is a physical quantity and its SI unit is watt per meter square. Alright, the unit of intensity is watt per meter square. Watt is the unit of power and meter square is the unit of area. So power per unit area is, or watt per meter square is the unit of intensity. Describe intensity level of sound and mention its unit. Intensity level. What is intensity level? The difference between the loudness of unknown sound and loudness of the faintest sound is called the intensity level of the unknown sound. Faintest means that sound which can we hear first time and from which we can hear the sound. Description or derivation. The loudness of sound is directly proportional to the logarithm of intensity. That means if the loudness increases, intensity also increases. If the loudness is decreases, intensity also decreases. So loudness is directly proportional to logarithm of I, or L is equals to K log I. When we remove the sign of proportionality, we put any constant. Here K is the constant of proportionality. Let loudness of the faintest audible sound is equals to L naught. Loud intensity of the faintest sound is equals to I naught. Loudness of unknown sound is equals to L. Intensity of unknown sound is represented by I. Then according to the equation or formula, L naught is equals to K log I naught. We have just put L naught or I naught for the faintest loudness and faintest intensity. Now subtract this equation 2 from equation number 1. It becomes L minus L naught is equals to K log I minus K log I naught. If we take K as a common, then it becomes log I minus log I naught. And then K log I upon I naught. Take log as a common and write the division sign instead of subtraction sign, because in log division is replaced by subtraction and multiplication is replaced by addition, so we put division sign over here. Therefore the intensity level of an unknown sound is K log I upon I naught. If I is equals to 10 times I naught, I, what is I? I is the intensity of unknown sound. And what is I naught? I naught is the intensity of the faintest sound. If intensity of unknown sound is equals to 10 times of intensity of faintest sound and we put K is equals to 1, then the intensity of such sound is taken as a unit that is called bell. Now equation 3 becomes log I upon I naught bell. Bell is the unit of the intensity level. If K is equals to 1 or I is equals to 10 I naught. It is very large unit of intensity level. Generally we use a smaller unit that is called decibel. Intensity level we can measure intensity level in decibel. Now if we use decibel, then this equation becomes 10 log I upon I naught decibel. So when we write decibel over here, then we use 10 over in this place, because 1 bell is equals to 10 decibel. The unit of intensity level is bell or decibel. Here I am sharing this chart to you, where sources of sounds are given, intensities are given, intensities of these sounds are given, and intensity level of these sources of sounds are also given. The source of sound is nearby jet airplane. Its intensity is 10 raised to power 3 watt per meter square, and intensity level is 150 decibel. Jackhammer or fast train, intensity is 10 raised to power 1 and intensity level is 130. Siren, intensity is 10 raised to power 0 and intensity level is 120. Lawn mower, intensity is 10 raised to power minus 12, intensity level is 100. Vacuum cleaner, 10 raised to power minus 5 and intensity level is 70. Mosquito buzzing, intensity is 10 raised to power minus 8 and intensity level is 40 decibel. Whisper, 10 raised to power minus 9, intensity and 30 decibel intensity level. Rustling of leaves, 10 raised to power minus 11 or 10. Faintest audible sound, that is threshold. Its intensity is 10 raised to power minus 12 and intensity level is 0 decibel. Word problem. I am sharing the example of word problem. Calculate the intensity levels of the number 1 part, faintest audible sound. Number B part, rustling of leaves. Data is given. Here I is equals to I naught. Intensity of unknown sound is equals to intensity of the faintest sound. That is 10 raised to power minus 12 watt per meter square. Because we are going to find out the intensity, the level of the faintest sound. And here faintest sound and unknown sound both are same. That is 10 raised to power minus 12 watt per meter square. And intensity of rustle of leaves is equals to 10 raised to power minus 11 watt per meter square. It is given in this chart. Formula is intensity level is equal to 10 log I upon I naught in decibel. Now part A, 10 log I. Here I is given 10 raised to power minus 12. I naught is this. When we divide this, 1 log 1 decibel is left. Log 1 means 0. The log of 1 is 0. 10 zeros are 0. So intensity of the faintest intensity level of the faintest audible sound is 0 decibel. Second part is intensity level of rustling of leaves, 10 log 10 raised to power minus 11 upon 10 raised to power minus 12. When we take this 10 raised to power minus 12 over here, it becomes 10. Log of 10 is 1, so 10 ones are 10, it becomes 10 decibel. So rustling of leaves is 10 decibel. Thank you, boys. I hope you can understand these examples.